alone.
Hey guys, today I'm playing Shark Bite. Here we go. Okay, my body's glitched. That's nice. I'm also joined by two friends. I'm just chilling.
Dude,
Shark has been released.
yeah, but where has been
I don't even know. I should have joined your boat, but I was being a bot. So yeah.
Okay, what boat do you have?
I'm in a wooden raft right now.
Oh, is that you right there?
My body's
No,
glitched.
let's throw him over. Actually, no, I don't want to flip over. Oh, there he goes.
That wasn't
Nope,
me.
that's not you. Is this you?
That's me.
It is. Get in.
Whoa, slow your roll there, coach. Yo, chill with that. Chill, dude. I can't. Wait. I'm coming to the ladder. You see my body?
Get in now. What is wrong with your character? You're like backwards.
I don't know.
Check us. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, here we go.
Whee!
Look at my gun animation right now.
Shooting their skirt up. I'm gonna run him over.
He juked us out. Go.
Wait, can we go on the islands?
You can kind of do it. Yeah, you can. Josh.
Wait, stop moving. We need to be able to shoot the shark. I don't know where he is though.
I think the shark doesn't.
Do you think I can deflect? I'm not going fast enough. Whee!
Look at those kids. They're jumping for help. The kids we flipped over. They're like, why?
Because I did.
I don't think the shark. Oh, the shark is active for sure.
Swearing in chat right now.
Let's check chat.
Go.
They have a pool on their boat? No, how could you do this?
I have a plan. I don't have a plan.
Just keep doing donuts.
You cannot kill me.
It took my hair off.
Anarchy!
My body's still glitched. Stay away, shark.
I'm like a little worm.
I'm like a little stuck body that's like chilling. Okay.
I'm gonna die. I don't want to die.
It's like a treadmill right here. Oh, like a hamster wheel. Like me being like.
Why? I feel power.
Josh, look at me up here. No. 83 more seconds of that.
Okay, I want a better gun. Equipped. Didn't work.
It's not.
Why is it nighttime?
Yeah, that's even more scary.
The shark? Okay. Okay, his pool is defying the laws of physics.
Yeah, I'm confused about what that boat is.
Where'd he go?
Oh, he flung me!
Crazy!
He's under me! I hit him! I'm scared. I'm scared for my life right now. I'm bald. Ooh, dude, that's an L.
Get him!
I'm coming to you, Slayer Wolf. I'm coming to you.
Then big no.
That guy's boat is overpowered. I wish you could build a boat in this game.
Die!
Look at Slayer in his 360 no scopes. He's like,
where is he?
I'm looking at
I
it.
see him! Shoot him! Kill him! Oh, I wasn't loaded.
What is he doing?
Kill him! I killed him, guys. You're welcome. Look, I killed him. I told you.
Is my body back to normal? Let's check that out.
Okay, I have an idea.
My body's back to normal.
What boats do I have?
You have the jets. You have the jet ski, paragliding, amazingness boat, whatever.
Nah, I gotta get a better one. Let's see here.
Ooh, what is this avatar? That avatar's he has those. He's already swimming.
This one, patrol boat. I seen something, and it's literally you can deflect the shark away.
That's cool. VR Rumble.
I did seen it.
Invite me.
Yeah, I can't find you.
I has joined. The patrol boat, Josh. Really?
Yes. Trust me.
Trust. I trust you. This might not be the craziest crazy thing in the world.
Yes, it's gonna be incredible. Okay. Rocket launcher.
Well, this man's already a snipe. You already know him.
Hey. Here we go. Okay, no, I'm gonna go this way.
Shark is gonna leave.
Spin. They fixed it! That's not good! Do this to me.
No, I'm good, Shark. I tagged the shark a couple times. Nice tags. It's daytime already. Come on, man.
The earth just
Tags, dude.
So
I'm
fast.
tagging. I'm letting the shark out, dude. This shark is so angry.
Spin.
Yeah.
But it fixed it!
How would it repel the shark? Like, what did it do?
It spin super fast, and then it would, like, fling it away.
Check that yacht out. Let's flip this yacht
Oh,
over.
not good enough. This one's better. Maybe I can run it over. Ah!
Yeah, not with that attitude.
Hi! Oh. Okay.
Where is the shark?
I don't know. Attack!
Shoot their boat. I wish you could like kill people's boat, like other people's. You could shoot up. I see a shark. I see a shark.
Oh, I still haven't seen it. Do you think I'm more powerful than the shark? Let's find out. Metal or shark? Which one's more powerful? Which one? Metal or shark? Which one?
I say shark. It's not like shooting.
Kill it! Kill it! Kill it with fire! I got a rocket launcher! Kill him! Ethan, it's help! Drag your boat towards me! Ethan! Hey, now you drive. I got a rocket launcher.
Okay. Time to do some donuts in that boat. Meow.
Hey!
Meow. Meow.
I'll find the shark. Me kill. There it is! Go get it!
Oh, if he hits that, chill, Josh, chill.
Get him!
He's going crazy. Yeah, boy, you better come. Oh, you hit him.
Hey! Go near him. I see him!
Metal versus shark, as a wise man once said.
I am wise. I am
No.
Hey! Ah! Hey!
The shark's angry. Oh no.
Hey! Die! Oh, go, attack! Go, Power Rangers! Gotta kill it! Hey! Whoa.
I'm really just wondering where he went.
went down. Deep, deep down in the ocean floor. Hey! I win!
He did it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end this video off right here. And yeah.
Done.
Yeah, man. Let's do it. Okay. Bye, guys. Peace.
I think